I'm at the Goodwill in Menomonee Falls. It is Tuesday at about 11 o'clock. Let's see what we can find for spring. See Lane Conte, she's my bud. I just came up behind her with my cart going full bore and scared the crap out of you.
Not the crap.
Have a good day.
All right.
This deer was kind of neat, but it had multiple fractures, so we left it. And I was able to find a few things while Elaine and I were talking. So here's what I scooped while we were chatting in the aisle. This is just a little wood blank that'll turn into something. This got colored with new cottage color. This is Sage Garden with some dark wax, and Jill scooped this up this week. This piece was cute, but I put it back. Another maker created this. It had a $28 price tag on it. These I'm not sure what I'm going to do with yet. What do you recommend? This got painted honey. Honey is one of the new cottage colors that came out this week. They are so good. They are one-step paint and they work like a dream. You can find them on my website, rusticrehabs.com. This wood piece got turned into a base for a cute little metal sign. I painted it Sage Garden green and then dry brushed on some plaster, two of the new colors. Then I scored these Pyrex bowls fresh off the cart. I have not listed them yet, but two of them are really good shape. The bigger one looks like I'm thinking some dishwasher damage. What do you guys think? Are you interested in these? They're pretty cute. Some snowmen that I will put aside until later this year. $12.99 is too steep for resale, but it is a sweet little snow globe. This was just a blank slate. It was originally $30 from Hobby Lobby. I got it for $4 or $5. I can't remember exactly. And this is what it looks like now. I added a transfer that had some script on it that had been kicking around for a while. I think it's retired, but doesn't look good. I thought about getting this flower, but I decided to pass. These metal flowers were all the rage a few years ago, so I feel like they're out now. What do you think? Do you still like it? I don't buy a lot of milk glass, but I do love this classic look. So we grabbed one of these and it's $9.99. This little guy was actually Pioneer Woman. It was cute, but it was faded and not worth the price for resale. These were sweet for $4.99, but I was being pretty picky today. I've thrifted a lot in the last couple of weeks, and I was only looking for things I knew that I could sell for sure. This decanter was definitely cool. So much good glass. Did you know you can paint glass with the DIY paints? I painted these little bud vases to give you an idea of the colors. The new colors from front to back are Veranda, Garden Sage, Plaster, Honey, and Azure. I love them. I'm working on a few projects using the new rose-colored Veranda. They're going to be so good. I like this little mixed media piece, but I decided to pass because we're making our own mixed media pieces now. We have a class. Check it out. Join us for Mixed Media Layers. We are doing it again on the 19th, and you deserve to take a couple of hours out of your hectic schedule and come focus on fun and creativity. Grab a friend and sign up. Details are on the website. Also, our 5th Saturday of March sale is extended through tonight, 20% off all the home decor, furniture, purses, all kinds of stuff, everything except for the DIY crafting products. And it ends tonight. It even applies to the clearance. So all my deal hunters, go check it out. I'm pretty sure this is a candlestick I painted. I think this might be provincial, so I think somebody bought it and donated it. It happens. This little duck is one of my favorite finds in a while. I wish I had a whole bunch of them. It's totally my jam right now. He could use another life. He could definitely use a DIY paint job, but we are going to pass. I did end up picking up a couple of teacups for an idea that I have coming up. I didn't get to the art until at the end today, but there really wasn't much that tripped my trigger. So I thought about getting this mirror to use as a tray on one of my vanities, but overall I have a lot of stuff on those vanities already, so we left it. Nothing I had to scoop up today in the lamp section either. So overall we had a small haul this week, but some really good flips. I had a $5 off coupon from shopping last week, and then I had like $5 or $10 in points, so I only spent $27. I even impressed one of the managers at the Goodwill. She was shocked. Here's some new things that we just added this week. These little pouches with the funny sayings are hilarious. And then here's a few things we flipped using the new colors, and a really good example of why my modeling career never took off. See you next time. Take good care.